going to do a brief video on EURUSD support levels, and as you can see, for tomorrow, the 12th of October, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods, and it's showing buy for the EURUSD at 0.9689 for the one-day hold, all the way, looks like all the way across 0.9689 for the 20-day hold. These are for entertainment purposes only. Of course, you can only use them for entertainment. You have to trade at your own risk. You should always do your own analysis, but that's what we've got for you tomorrow for the EURUSD buys across the board. These are trading days, not calendar days, and you get out worst case at the end of the trading day holding period. So if you got in tomorrow, you'd get out the next trading day at a loss at the end of the day, or take your profits as soon as you got them. If you got in on the 20-day column, you'd get in tomorrow, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea, stay in worst case 20 days and get out at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you got them earlier. That's how these work. You can get them absolutely free, no credit card required at RBAMresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We put out algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. for 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. If you go over there early, the night before, usually after 8 p.m., you can usually get everything updated earlier. Again, RBAMresearch.com, link in the description below, and no credit card required. Keep in mind that if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well, and we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. And of course, everything you've seen or heard on here, including the entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only.